In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a new channel in Slack. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new Slack channel, choose channel visibility, and add members to the channel. Start by going to your Slack workspace on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to the Channels section. Under the list of channels, click on Add Channels. A menu will appear with different options. Click on Create New Channel to begin setting up your channel. Once the setup window opens, enter a name for your new channel in the channel name field. Type the name you want to use for the channel and continue to the next step. Continue by clicking Next. You will then be asked to choose the channel visibility. You can create the channel as private so only invited members can join, or leave it as public so people in the workspace can access it. Select the option you want to use for the channel. After making your selection, click Create to continue. Slack will then move you to the next step where you can add people to the channel. You may see an option to automatically include members from another channel, or you can manually add people by entering their names or email addresses. Type the names or email addresses of the people you want to include in the new channel. If you do not want to add anyone right now, you can continue without adding members. Once you finish selecting members, click Save to complete the setup. After saving, the new channel will appear in your Slack workspace under the Channels section. You can click on the channel name at any time to open it and begin using it. The channel will now be available based on the visibility option you selected during setup. If you created a public channel, Workspace members can find and join it. If you created a private channel, only invited members will be able to access it. And that is how you create a new channel in Slack